It is so great to be here and to celebrate yet another milestone for this part of the county, an animal shelter. We love our pets. Every pet I've got except my parrot, I've gotten from the shelter. And this year I adopted a new dog.
And this is only the second time we've ever been able to open an animal shelter. I mean, this is huge. Take advantage of the amazing work that our folks at the animal shelter do, not just in sheltering and finding new homes, but providing resources for animal care.
The commitment Fairfax County has to our pets is unmatched.
Hi, little one.
The facility is not meant to be a permanent home. Our work is anchored in the belief that pets are family, and everyone deserves the love and companionship that comes with sharing your life with a pet. There are a lot of animals next door that are waiting for a home, so get in there and meet your next family member.
2, 3.
We're here bright and early in the morning, right after we just got married. Amazing opportunity.
Fairfax County Animal Shelter is the county's only open admission shelter. Behind us are our dog yards. It's 7 enclosures. And so we get our dogs, like Ricky behind me and Trixie, they get out 4 times a day for exercise. So one of the most unique aspects of this facility, it is designed around the health, happiness, and emotional well-beings of the animals. There's 2 outdoor enclosures for cats. Those are called catios. So have acoustics that muffles the sounds and that reduces the stress for all of the animals in the facility. So that contributes towards that fear-free design.
Our family's long been involved in greyhound adoption, and so we adopt retired racing greyhounds from the dog track and create new opportunities and a life for them. And so we live in a community here in Fairfax that I have always said is the most caring, compassionate place you can live in the country, and that extends to the way we treat animals as well. And so the adoption rate here is huge. The quality of this facility and the way that we treat our animals in Fairfax County, I think, speaks volumes to the quality of our residents.
This animal shelter makes a huge difference in how we care for those that we love almost much as each other, which is our animals, our pets. And providing the kind of services and care and supports that I need for my animals and our community needs is a crucial part of having a healthy, modern, 21st century community.
We are open to the public every day except Monday. And then we have later hours where we're open till 7 p.m. Thursday, Fridays, Saturday and Sundays. We're open from 11 a.m. to 5. So please come visit us at your convenience. We'd love to have you.